We're going to the Showboat Waterpark. Woo! There's the Showboat. It's a better deal. We're on our way to Showboat. Hopefully we'll go to a water park. You gotta walk down this long corridor to the back to get to the water park. We're gonna go check it out, see if it looks worth it. We think it's $89. If they give you bands, you can go in and out as you please. That might make it worth it. Roller skating! Roller skating! They have roller skating. Showboat has this cool mini golf too. There's Pac-Man. Look, we're on our way to the water park. They got ramen. They got a pizza machine. And ice cream, of course. With taxes and everything, it came to $200 and some cents. And sometimes on the weekends it's more expensive. They raise the price. So weekday, definitely come on a weekday. We got more gaming on the way to the pool area. So much gaming. Almost there. Island Waterpark at the Showboat. They got a flow rider like the cruise. Oh, Wipeout. We got some kind of, yeah. We got some kind of weird walking thing. We got a lazy river. We got all kinds of restaurants. I don't know if I can count that as the boardwalk pizza. We got a bar in the middle. That'll make Poogie happy. More gaming. Step, step.
Alien heads.
Alien heads, little octopi. Drinks and snacks. We got a pool. We got some water slides that are gonna require a lot of climbing. I don't know what that is. Kid area. Young child area over there. Cabanas, I think you have to pay more for those. I'm sure they're expensive. There's another water slide. Less steps. Here's an adult area. Oh, and there's a bar. A bar in the pool. That's cool. Maybe they got some Baileys. We got another bar. Lots of stairs. And then the main, I would say, the main water slides up there. Is it worth $89? I don't know. There is an extra charge for that adults only pool bar area. So when you go to get your tickets, you have to ask for that. We didn't know about it, so we just got the regular one. You need to get the white band. So we did all the tall slides. They're all fun. I recommend them all if you can deal with climbing all those stairs. The best slides are at the top of this structure. The one on the left and the middle one. If you think you can only climb up there maybe once or twice, do the left one and the middle one. Those were the funnest. The one on the right was cool, but you're in complete darkness. So if you don't like darkness, you might not want to ride that one. But yeah, they were fun. We always love a lazy river. Unfortunately, it made Zach feel seasick. Interesting. Pookie's getting water for his tummy, see if it makes him feel better. This slide, you go down head first, so if you have issues with that, you might not want to do this one. I'd never done that before, but it was fine. You don't get super splashed in the face until the very end. So I do recommend trying it. If you want to go into the adult private pool area, you gotta ask for the Paradise add-on. If you've got an orange one, you can't go in. You have to have a white one. On our way out to get lunch, we found this interesting mural. Showboat really got some strange stuff going on. Look at all these mannequins. Dinosaur. We've got another Pokemon machine. Oh, they have a Zoltar. A scary Zoltar. Zoltan.
His brother.
But he's out of order. That sucks. Let's see if I can see him better from the side. A little bit of glare. Mermaid. So, is it worth $89 plus the taxes, which made it go a little bit over $100? I guess it kind of depends on how you're looking at it. You can go to King's Dominion for $59 and have a whole water park with a lot more in it. But here at Atlantic City, this is your only option. So if you stay there all day, yes, then it might be worth it. If you're just going for a couple of hours, probably not. You can do an evening one. If you wait until after 4, you can go, and it's supposed to be $69, but they have been raising the rates on the weekends, well over $100. We went on a Monday, so it was the regular rate of $89, and so maybe try to go on a weekday, but I guess it's relative whether it's worth it or not. We did have fun. I wish we would have stayed longer though. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, and more videos coming soon. Bye.